Happy morning to all of you. Welcome back in Sri Ganesh Online Education Series. Dear students, we are learning chapter number 9, Pratapgarh makes history. Okay, so in this chapter we have learned 4-5 points before this. Okay, which were those? I'll repeat. See, Adil Shah Patab, the Khan accepts the challenge, Swaraj in danger, then tit for tat, then after the meeting place. Okay, this much points we have learned. So about meeting, in whom meeting will be there? Shivaji Maharaj and Afzal Khan. Okay, so meeting place. Now meeting place also we have discussed that where their meeting is fixed. Okay, and which Shamiana is there, how the road is constructed, how many peoples will come. Okay, all these things are finalized in that. Now today we are going to learn about before the meeting. You can see on the screen what before the meeting. See, on the day of the meeting, Shivaji visited Bhavani's temple in the morning and took darshan. Soon after, he started putting on his ceremonial clothes. See this much. See, on the day of the meeting, when the meeting was that day, Shivaji visited to Bhavani's temple in the morning. Shivaji Maharaj visited to Bhavani's temple in the morning and took darshan of goddess Bhavani. And soon after, means immediately after that, he started putting on his ceremonial clothes and he started to wear his ceremonial clothes. He wore his surwar and coat of mail. He wore his surwar and coat of mail. You can see in your textbook at the upside. See here at the upside, this one, coat of mail. Okay, this one all have seen, coat of mail. So he wore that surwar and coat of mail. Over the coat of mail, he wore a kurta. Over the coat of mail, he wore kurta. Okay, do you know kurta? Yes, in the functions, in the marriage function or in the house, some functions are there. That time we used to wear kurta, that kurta, like that. And a flowing robe. A flowing robe means it is also like dress, but which is floating downside till the knees or downside the knees. Okay, do you know knees? That dress goes down the knees like girls dress. Okay, so flowing robe. On his head he placed the jiretop, and on his head he placed jiretop, which is made of iron. Okay, which is made of metal, jiretop, or we can say it helmet also. That is also given in your textbook. You can see upside jiretop. Okay, and tied a mandil around it. And what he tied? Mandil around it. Around it means your jiretop, and around that jiretop he tied a mandil. Okay, now what is mean by mandil? So see in hard words, you can see mandil means feta. Okay, what we say? Feta. Okay, then he fitted Wagner onto the fingers of his left hand. Which is left hand? This one. So he fitted Wagner on this left hand. Okay, see Wagner also you can see there in the textbook, Wagner. Okay, then hidden inside the left sleeves was a bichwa. In left sleeve, this one, now see, this one is a sleeve of my t-shirt. Okay, so like this full sleeves were there of his kurta. So in that full sleeve, what was hidden? Bichwa. See, bichwa is also there. Bichwa means small knife. It is a type of knife. And he carried danpatta on his hand, and danpatta he carried on his hand. He was now ready to face the Khan, and now he was ready to face the Khan. Like this, Shivaji Maharaj became ready to meet Khan. Now see, all the Sardars were waiting outside. All the Sardars were waiting outside for Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji turned to them and said, "Friends, each one of you must carry out the duties assigned to you. Each one of you must carry duties which are assigned to you. I'm sure the goddess Bhavani will see that we succeed, and I'm sure that goddess Bhavani will see that we will succeed, means we will win, we will get success. But if things goes wrong, see what he says. Another side is also he is telling to his people, what? If things goes wrong, I am killed, and I am killed. Do not lose heart. Do not lose heart. Install Sambhaji on the Gadi. What to do? If I am killed, you don't lose your hope. What you have to do? You have to install Shivaji on my Gadi and follow the commands of Ma Sahib, and follow the commands of Ma Sahib, because that time Sambhaji Maharaj was small. So listen commands of Ma Sahib. Fight for Swaraj and extend its border, and fight for Swaraj and extend its borders. Boundaries, okay, boundaries. Borders are not, boundaries. Meaning is same, boundary and borders, okay. Make the subjects happy. Now what is mean by subject? You can see here. Subject means, what is mean by subject? I have told you in first chapter only. What? Subject means people, okay. So make people happy. I shall go now to meet the Khan. And what he says? That I shall go now to meet the Khan. He was accompanied by his Vakil Pantaji Gopinath and 10 bodyguards. See, he was accompanied with his Vakil Pantaji Gopinath. Pantaji Gopinath and 10 bodyguards. What was decided? 10 bodyguards and 1 Vakil. Okay, like this it was decided. So who is Shivaji Maharaj? Who was Shivaji Maharaj Vakil? Pantaji Gopinath and 10 bodyguards, including Jivaji Mahala. See, who were those? Jivaji Mahala, Sambhaji Kauji, Yesaji Kanak, Krishnaji Gaikwad, Siddhi Ibrahim, and others. Okay, all names are not given. Few first names are given. See, and when Shivaji reached the Shamiana, and now when Shivaji reached the Shamiana, he saw that the Khan had already arrived, and he saw that Khan had already arrived. He was busy planning his future moves, and he was planning, he was busy in the making of his future moves. Then means where he has to go after this. First he will complete this mission, and after that where he has to go. Like this he was planning. Standing by his side was an armed soldier. See, by his side, who was standing? One soldier named as Baba Sayyad. What was his name? Baba Sayyad. And he was highly skilled in the use of Danpatta. And he was highly skilled in the use of Danpatta. Shivaji came to entrance of the Shamiana. And Shivaji came to entrance of the Shamiana. But on seeing Baba Sayyad, he stopped and would not proceed further. And he stopped on the place and could not proceed further. The Khan asked Shivaji's Vakil why Shivaji stood at the entrance instead of coming in. And then when Khan saw him that Shivaji is standing in the door only, he is not coming inside the Shamiana. So he asked immediately to his Vakil that why Shivaji is not coming inside. So now see what Vakil said. Vakil said, he is afraid of Baba Sayyad. What Vakil told him? He is afraid of Baba Sayyad. Please ask him to go away. What he told? Please ask him to go away. Baba Sayyad moved away and Shivaji stepped in. See, Baba Sayyad moved away and then Shivaji Maharaj stepped in. Step in means he came inside. The Khan got up and said, come Shivaji Raje. Now Khan got up means he stand up, and what he said? Come Shivaji Raje, let us embrace each other as a mark of our friendship. What he said? Let us embrace each other as a mark of our friendship. Now embrace means what? See, to put, you can see here, to put arms around somebody as a sign of love. To put arms like this, to put arms somebody as a sign of love. Okay, so like this. So how many words are here? See, which one? Mandil, Feta, subjects means people, and another one embrace. Embrace means to put arms around somebody as a sign of love. So do you understand this much? Now see, in your textbook you can see the picture of Shivaji meets Afzal Khan. In that it is given what? See, Shivaji's Vakil is standing outside, Afzal Khan is there, Shivaji Maharaj, they are embracing each other, and Baba Sayyid moved out. Okay, this much. See, in that you can see Jire top of Shivaji Maharaj. No, why you don't see that? Because Jire top is covered with mandil. Okay, mandil means feta, so we cannot see that Jire top. Again, coat of mail can we see? No, because on it Shivaji Maharaj put on kurta again. Okay, like this. Bichwa, where is bichwa? In the left hand sleeve. Okay, and Wagnak, where is Wagnak? In the left hand finger, Wagnaks are put up. Okay, like this. So do you understand? So what is today's homework? See, these 3 word meanings you have to copy 3 times. Okay, and any 10 hard words, find out 10 hard words and copy them 3 times. Okay, so thank you very much. Tomorrow again we will meet with the same topic but new point. Okay, thank you very much.